In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively arrange images in Google Docs to enhance the visual appeal of your documents. Whether you're preparing a professional report or a creative project, properly managing your images can make a significant difference, and I'm here to guide you through it. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google document where you've already inserted your images. Having your images ready in the document allows us to work directly with the content you need. Once you have your document open, locate one of the images you'd like to adjust. Click on the image and you'll see a toolbar pop up with various options. Here, our focus is on arranging the text with the image properly, so go ahead and select Wrap Text. The Wrap Text option facilitates a seamless integration of your image with the text, allowing for a more polished look by having the text flow naturally around your images. This step is crucial as it enhances readability and ensures that your document looks tidy and organized. After wrapping the text, it's time to arrange the image to your desired location, and according to the design you envision, you can click and drag the image to position it where you think it best complements your text. Perhaps you want it centered, aligned left, or nestled at the bottom of a section. Take a moment here to place it just right. This step is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality, as where you position your images will guide your reader's eye through the document. Having set your first image, it's time to apply these steps to the rest of your images. Consistency is key here. Repeat the process. Click on each image, wrap text, and adjust its placement. This will tie the document together visually and make navigation easier for your readers. After you have applied the wrap text and positioning to all your images, take a moment to scroll through the document. Does everything look well balanced? Do the images enhance the text or distract from it? Making these final touches will ensure your document isn't just informative, but also engaging and visually appealing. And there you have it, you're done. You've beautifully arranged your images in Google Docs and your work looks fantastic. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed your text into an engaging and professional document. Don't forget to save your changes and perhaps even share it with colleagues or friends to get their insights. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different layouts and arrangements until you find what works best for your project. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.